Hi everyone, if you're new, welcome. I'm Lilac. Today I'm going to be doing this smoky autumn look for you. Okay, to get this look, I'm going to be using the NYX Machinist palettes in Grind. Deciding what to do, I wasn't sure what look I was going with. Going to start with this brown shade. And it was much darker than I expected. I only did 2 little taps into the pan. But that's okay, we can work with it. Okay, going into this mustardy kind of color and dusting that over top. And next I'm going into this shade, which I'm not sure if it's a very dark forest green or if it's a navy color. It's just really pretty and I like it. I'm just taking my clean brush and blending that out to get the nice smoky effect. Going back into that first brown shade, I'm going to put that under my lower lashes. And going back in with that mustard colored and dusting it underneath, kind of mimicking what we did with the upper eye. Taking a smaller pencil brush, going in with that dark shade, and I'm off camera a little, sorry. Sorry about that, my husband came home from work. Taking this lighter shade and just dusting that around my brow area. And just using a black eyeliner in my waterline. I was going to leave the look like that, but I decided to use this shimmery green shade and pop that over the dark one to make it pop a little bit more. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation. For blush, I'm using Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. I wiped off the color and tried to blend that out a little. It was a little too much. For highlight, I'm using the Wet n Wild Megaglo in the shade Blossom Glow. And for lips, I decided to go with Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuite in the shade Shall We Slay from their Ice and Fire Dragon. This shade's a little sheer, but I really like it. It's like totally different from anything else I've seen. And there's our finished look. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.